Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today's recipe, I am sharing with you how to make simple and delicious rice. I'm using mackerel fish. I'll start by cleaning and cutting the fish. I will clean inside the fish and wash the fish. After washing the fish, I'll season with salt, dried pepper, onions powder, mix them together. I'll cover and leave the fish to marinate for 15 minutes. I'll transfer the fish heads inside the pot, season with onions, pepper, garlic, salt, thyme, season. Add water. Cover and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'll turn off the stove and I'm going to strain the stock and set it aside for later use. Next, add some oil in the pot and start heating it up. When the oil is hot, I'll add the fish and fry the fish on a medium to high heat. I'll add a little bit of onions to flavor the oil. When the fish is fried on one side, flip them to the other side to fry. The fish is ready. I remove them from the hot oil and transfer them to a strainer to take out excess oil from the fish. I'll be using bell peppers, habanero peppers, garlic, ginger, tomatoes, onions. I'm going to clean them and transfer them inside a blender. I'll cover the blender and blend. In the same pot I use in frying the fish, I'll add onions. I'll fry the onions for 2 to 5 minutes. Add garlic, ginger, and stir. I'll add the blended pepper mix. Stir. I'll season with thyme, salt, season cube, grounded crayfish, dry shrimps, and stir. I'll leave the sauce to cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Here is the rice I'll be using. I'll add salt, hot water, and stir. I'm going to wash the rice until the water runs clear. The sauce is been cooking now for a while and the sauce is ready. Add the washed rice. I'll add the fish stock, which I made from the fish heads. And stir. Taste and adjust the season if needed. Add the fried fish. I'll cover and cook the rice for 25 to 30 minutes until the rice is done. After 25 minutes, the rice is ready. I'll finish it up with spring onions, and stir. At this point, my kitchen smells divine. I wish you can perceive the delicious aroma that is coming out of my kitchen. I will remove the rice from the stove. I will serve and enjoy. The rice was super delicious and the fish was very delicious. Will you be giving this recipe a try? Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.